Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Sohail. I started my IT journey with Evision Technoserve where I successfully completed my internship. During this internship, I gained practical knowledge in areas like networking, Windows Administrator, Active Directory, DNS, DHCP and other server related technology. This internship gave me the confidence and skill to move forward in my career. I'm really thankful to my trainers and mentors at Evision for their continuous guidance and support. After completing my internship, I got an amazing opportunity to begin my pro- professional career with Anunta Technology on team lease payroll, where I am working for the client HDFC at Anunta. I am learning even more about real-time IT operation and support which is helping me grow as an IT professional. I am truly grateful to Vision TechnoServe for shaping my career path, and I am excited to continue learning and achieving new milestones in the IT field. Thank you.